towards the end right now, I feel more confident. I feel more supported. I feel that, oh, I can actually do anything. My name is Tiya Julius. I'm from South Africa. Before this course, I just practiced Pilates for myself as a form of exercise. I decided to join Swiss Pilates Institute. I found the reviews to be very good. And then I also follow Patricia on Instagram and social media. Her teaching style was very different compared to like the other institutes. She was very mindful of how she taught. After the first day, I felt more comfortable, more relaxed. I found that Pilates is much harder than I thought. In her way of correcting, she supports you in correcting you with how to teach it again. So she will always redo the exercise. It's more hands-on compared to just giving you an answer out of a book. So you're able to identify the right and the wrong posture and movement. What style you have for your body, if you need more support, which tools you need to use, how advanced you are. So she's able to modify and make a variety of exercises. I'd recommend to anyone that wants to actually improve their Pilates for themselves, just do it. Even if you're scared, just do it. I've heard someone say that, like when you're happy, you don't smile because you're happy. You're happy because you smile. So the same with coming to Pilates, you enjoy doing the movement, but you don't do it because, oh, you're great at it. You do it because you want to improve, you want to upskill yourself to be great. Before, I thought Pilates was gentle movement. I thought it was just like, oh, getting some strength, a bit of flexibility. Right now, there's more body conditioning, more body awareness. It does come with strength, it does come with flexibility and movement, but it's a combination of all.